we have our director and founder of International Canada International Film Festival at Niagara Falls. So here Mr. Jay Jayanathan. Just I want to take the view for the girl with the closed lips.
Hi guys, we are here at Niagara Falls, Canada. We are hosting Niagara Canada International Film Festival. Yesterday, Saturday and Sunday, we had the full day screening. Where the screening is happening behind the scenes. We screened a girl with a closed lip from India yesterday. The response was amazing. We had a Q&A right here at this red carpet. As you can see, like we had, since it was an international film festival, and at Greg Fruin Theatre here in Niagara Falls, it was a theatre full. Anuradha, who is an ambassador, was present with her team to watch the movie, and it was played on Saturday, and we are so happy. Creative directors from all around the world, especially from India, bringing a subject that has to be shown not only in India, Canada, and elsewhere. So as a festival director, I am happy we were able to screen the movie here in Canada, and I want to congratulate the team and the director for putting together such a project. Thank you so much, and good luck.
So friends, we have one of the very famous director in Canada. Her name is Deepa Mahanti. So she has watched the film The Girls with the Closed Lips. I just want to take her views. Hi दीपा जी.
हाय अनुराधा, कैसे हो?
मैं ठीक हूँ. आपने कल वो फिल्म देखा? So I need to ask about something which you felt in the Girls with the Closed Lips.
First and foremost, a huge congratulations to the director and the producer of the film. It was a beautiful, woven film. I love the story arc. I love the relationship between the teacher and the student, the teacher and the taught. And I also love how they are adapting many different kinds of learning techniques to communicate with each other. So huge congratulations to the entire team. Beautifully woven and beautifully placed film, and I wish them all the very best.
Hello, I'm at Niagara Canada International Film Festival, and here we have a guest who just watched the film The Girls with the Closed Lips. Hi Mr. Muazzam Khan.
How are you?
Yeah, I'm good. So, how is the film The Girl with the Closed Lips? Can you tell me, because you are here and we can see around this whole stuff. Can you tell about it?
Oh, the film was fantastic, and especially, I like the approach, the teacher and the student, the rapport between the two. तो हम यही समझते हैं कि देखिए, जो हमारी परंपरा है, जो शिक्षा प्राप्त करने की, तो किसी भी विद्यालय में जाइए, वहाँ हमारे परंपरा से यही रीत चली आ रही है कि गुरु क्या है और गुरु के शिष्य कैसे होने चाहिए, और शिष्य गुरु का जो एक आपस में संभोग है, ताल्लुक, उस ताल्लुक को बहुत ही बेहतरीन तरीके से इस फिल्म के अंदर पोर्ट्रे किया गया है. तो मैं बहुत बहुत बधाई देता हूँ डायरेक्टर को, और बहुत बधाई देता हूँ उस फिल्म के मेकर्स को, जिन्होंने ऐसा सोचा और जिन्होंने ऐसे विचार के ऊपर रोशनी डाली, जिससे आगे हमारी एक जनरेशन को ये पता चले कि गुरु शिष्य परंपरा होती क्या है.
बिल्कुल. और ये साइन लैंग्वेज के ऊपर दिखाया गया था. तो साइन लैंग्वेज हमारे जैसे कोई डीफ एंड डम है, उनको बोलना सुनना नहीं आता है, तो उससे साइन लैंग्वेज के ऊपर आप क्या बोलना चाहोगे?
मैं यही कहूँगा कि ऐसा विचार, इस विचार पे मैं क्या बोलूँ, इतना उम्दा उसने पोर्ट्रे किया है कि जो आदमी बोल नहीं सकते, जो सुन नहीं सकते, उनको एक एनर्जी मिल गई, एक ऊर्जा प्राप्त हो गई, और ऊर्जा ऐसी प्राप्त हुई कि वो समझ सकते हैं, वो बोल सकते हैं, वो अपना मैसेज कन्वे कर सकते हैं इस दुनिया में. तो इससे बड़ी क्या बात होगी कि, और वो जिस शख्स ने इस विशेष धारा पे को पकड़ा है और इसके ऊपर जो फोकस किया है कि साइन पोस्टिंग होती क्या है और साइन पोस्टिंग कितनी प्रिसाइज, कितनी एग्जैक्ट होनी चाहिए ताकि मैसेज बहुत क्लियरली कन्वे हो सके।
बिल्कुल।
इसके ऊपर उसने बेहतरीन काम किया है। मैं एक दफ़ा फिर से बधाई देता हूँ। और
Thank
इतने
you.
बड़े फेस्टिवल, नायग्रा फिल्म फेस्टिवल, जहाँ इतनी बड़ी बड़ी फिल्में और बहुत अच्छा
Yeah.
काम हो रहा है, इस माध्यम से मैं बहुत बड़े बड़े डायरेक्टर्स को बधाई देना चाहता हूँ।
Thank you so much. sir.
Thank
So, hello friends, we can see that lot of energy is there at Niagara Canada International Film Festival. Lot of people have come, and we are so proud of our director and producer, Mr. Ramkishore Parcha, for submitting his film and trusting on us. Thank you so much. Hi, this is Anuradha Chatterjee, and I'm at Niagara Canada International Film Festival. So here I have a guest, Shilpa Pai, and she wants to talk about the film The Girl with the Closed Lips. Hi Shilpa.
Hi Anuradha.
Ah.
So you just want to know my opinion about this movie. I got the opportunity to see this movie. Saw this movie yesterday. I was really mesmerized, and I also came to know that there is a different kind of sign language. It's the Indian type of sign language, and there is another one is, I think, universal. You know? So, and there was another thing was very touchy subject in that movie was that Guru and the Shishya. You know, if the Guru can, like, the family give up that this girl cannot talk or she cannot do anything, but how the Guru, like, I'm not be able to put it in the right word, but the Guru was great to bring that thing. He recognized the quality in her, you know, that she could do it. That
Right.
was very, very encouraging. That was very inspiring movie actually. Actually one of my favorite movie at the film festival. So thank you so
Amazing.
much. I got the opportunity to watch, and all the best to the girl and the Guru and the family.
Yeah, thank you so much, Shilpa.
You're welcome.
Take care.